AWS or Amazon Web Services is the reigning monarch of cloud computing. But have you ever wondered why it's the cloud kingpin? This is the cloud's guru, and these are the top 9 reasons to choose AWS. Top 9. Market leader. AWS is the pioneer and leader in cloud computing, trusted by millions of customers worldwide, ranging from small startups to large enterprises and government organizations. With its continued innovation, AWS is truly a leader of its own, just like what CEO Adam Selipsky addresses.
Having the broadest and the deepest set of capabilities matters. Like having three times the number of data centers compared to the next largest cloud provider, which makes a huge difference in capacity and availability. And having 60% more services and over 40% more features than the next closest cloud provider, so you can innovate without constraints. We reinvent so that you can reinvent.
Its global dominance underscores its unparalleled position as the foremost choice for cloud solutions across diverse industries and scales. Top 8. Comprehensive services. AWS offers the broadest range of services, from computing and storage to machine learning and IoT, ensuring all your cloud needs are met. This comprehensive suite of over 200 services ensures that businesses can address all their cloud requirements, from infrastructure and data management to advanced analytics and IoT integrations. Top 7. Global reach. With the most extensive global infrastructure, AWS allows you to deploy applications in multiple regions worldwide, ensuring low latency and high availability. To date, AWS already has 105 availability zones within 33 geographic regions, with announced plans for 18 more availability zones and 6 more AWS regions. Top 6. Scalability. Scalability is AWS's superpower. It provides seamless scalability, allowing you to start small and scale up or down as your business demands change. An impressive 90% of Fortune 500 companies use AWS to drive their digital transformation. This statistic underscores AWS's dominant position in meeting the technology needs of some of the largest and most influential companies worldwide. This ensures cost efficiency, optimal performance, and the ability to handle fluctuating demands, making it ideal for businesses of all sizes. Top 5. Security. AWS prioritizes security with robust measures, including data encryption, compliance certifications, and a shared responsibility model to protect your data. This advanced security features, including identity and access management, continuous monitoring, and threat detection, safeguard your cloud environment comprehensively. Top 4. Cost-effective. With a pay-as-you-go pricing and pay-upfront models, AWS helps you manage costs efficiently. These models provide the flexibility, ensuring you only pay for what you use while potentially saving with upfront payments. Top 3. Innovation. AWS continuously innovates, adding new features and services regularly, ensuring you have access to the latest cloud technologies. From pioneering machine learning and AI tools to cutting-edge IoT solutions, AWS's continuous enhancements help businesses stay competitive, improve efficiency, and leverage the most current, powerful technologies available in the cloud computing landscape. Top 2. Strong ecosystem. AWS has a vast ecosystem of partners, developers, and a strong community that offers extensive resources, support, and third-party integrations. With its innovative AWS Marketplace, partners can be able to market and sell softwares, which helps customers find, buy, and start using these innovations. This enhances solutions and services, while the active community offers forums, documentation, and best practices, ensuring comprehensive support and innovation for users at every stage. And top 1. Reliability. With a proven track record of reliability, AWS ensures your applications and data are available and resilient, backed by a robust Service Level Agreement, or SLA. S3 SLA offers 99.9% availability so you can access your data quickly, and 11 nines for durability so objects will never be lost or compromised. With a consistent performance record, AWS ensures uninterrupted availability, empowering businesses with dependable cloud solutions for critical operations and data management. And there you have it, the top 9 reasons why AWS reigns supreme in the cloud computing world. AWS remains the premier choice for businesses seeking dependable, cutting-edge cloud solutions. Now, can your cloud provider equate these characteristics? Truly, AWS is our king. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into cloud computing. See you in the next one.